today I'm opening this puzzle pal. Ooh. Open it. So now let's put it out. Let's put this out. And yes, it's out, and I'm gonna put it. So this is Rapunzel. And now let's open. Look, Rapunzel. And I'm gonna. And this is where you see what did you collect. So I collect the purple one. So it's this one. Look. Hey. And it's also a laser. So we need to keep it in this. So bye bye guys. Thank you for watching this lovely short video. Bye bye. If you want to see more of these videos, click the subscribe button and like if you like this video. And subscribe for more YouTube videos like you. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching this video.